a response video to all the people on the internet talking, for some reason, about how horrifically complicated and difficult to use Linux is. And I can understand the confusion. Like, we all know and love your standard Windows 10. You know, you want to go and do something like change the font settings, and it's just a quick nip into Control Panel, as everyone knows, and then open the fonts option, and just take your handy notepad and construct the following regedit file, and then I'm not even sure. It's been a while. I presume everyone's au fait with how to do things, and this looks, fairly easy. Whereas in Linux, it's like a whole different environment. You're like, what do I do? But never fear. Within just a few short years, I think most people can learn to use this new system. So what you do here is you tap the Windows key and you type in what you want. There's the tweak tool, and fonts. So you just you click on your font. I know it's weird, it's got this different interface, but I think with a bit of time, everyone can get used to it. Or you want to play music, even basic tasks. How does music work in this new thing? You hit the Windows key and you type in music, and then the music appears. I don't have any music, but it would appear if I had any, honest. Or how on earth are you meant to know how to update your computer if the big blue screen doesn't come up and say, it's time to update, motherfucker, and then it shuts everything down, just to let you know that it really is time to update? What do you do? Again, it's slightly more complicated on Linux, but with just a few short months, most people can remember to hit the Windows key, and then you type in update, and then it updates everything. And people worry, why isn't it updating any of my software? Well, it updates all of the software, and all of the system, and the security stuff, pretty much at the same time, and then they're worried, it's not shutting it down automatically yet. It's got this weird quirk where it doesn't shut down to update, it just updates. But you do get used to it after a while. But of course you've got this weird stuff, and everyone's always a bit worried when using this. What do I do about, I don't know, basic functions? You want to change your sound settings. Once again, you hit the Windows key if you want to do that. Type in sound. Whoop, look what comes up. There's that panel called settings. If that's a bit difficult and you can't remember it, what happens if I don't remember its sound? What if I just type in settings accidentally? Luckily, you type in settings and there it comes up, all your settings and the sounds, and it's just kind of there. You want to change your background, but you can't remember it's under settings. It's okay. You just hit the Windows key and type in background. I know it's weird, new concepts, and it's things like this that hold Linux back from being a serious desktop contender. There's all the software up to date, fantastic. But I do think, with some of the power users, with some of the more advanced people, if you really try and give it a go, most of this stuff will actually become clear. Obviously you need to be a level 3 hacker to get all of this stuff here, but it comes eventually, and one day you'll just be I'm not even sure how to open the internet, but then, the instinct will come to you and think, what do I do? I'll hit the Windows key, and you just try it. Internet. What's that? It's all the things you use to get on the internet. You got Waterfox and Chromium. It's a bit scary because it's not Chrome, but it's kind of like Chrome. You can also get Chrome. How to get Chrome on Linux, if that's all a bit scary, because Chromium's blue.